The snowstorm hit the Midwest with a 1-2 punch. In St. Louis, that meant 10 inches of snow, and once that stopped, temperatures that plunged below zero, with wind chills as bad as 45 below. We kept the furnace on and watched the birds live every wet, bone-chilling second of it outside. This cardinal, with his feathers fluffed up for insulation, is standing on one foot. This one has managed to cover them both. Plumped up dark-eyed juncos and white-throated sparrows, either braced against the wind in nearby bushes, or crowded where seed had been spread, gobbling it up before the snow covered it. At the feeders, it was a cold war. Usually our feeders comfortably accommodate everyone that shows up, but in weather like this, birds are tiny furnaces that must be stoked with food. They used much of their precious energy fighting for a spot at the feeder. And, knowing that hawks must eat in snowstorms too, they were easily spooked.